Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I got an unboxing video for you to view. Yes, we're going to be unboxing Boxycharm. Oh, and if you're new here, hey, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. So I received this package by Boxycharm, so I'm kind of confused. I used to be a Boxycharm subscriber in the past, but then I got my personal things going on, so I'm unsubscribed, and now I am back on the little Boxycharm train, and I resubscribed, and I don't know if that has to do with this, I don't know what this is. Usually they give us a box of goodies. It's never really packaged like this, so I don't know what's inside, but we are going to go ahead and open it. So let's get this thing started. I was looking around to see if I had any scissors, which I don't have any scissors with me right now. So I'm going to use my lovely fingernails to cut this thing open. This Boxycharm, by the way, was from January, and it's like February, I don't even know what the date is, February 6th today. So I'm a little behind, but you know what? That's okay. And this is my first unboxing video, so first time for everything, right? So let's go ahead and open this. Oh, hello. Boxycharm, yes. Ooh, okay, I see why. They had a code on Boxycharm, and the code was to get this lovely palette here. It's the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series palette. Ooh, look at there. Beautiful, look at that. Pretty. I cannot wait to play with these colors. So let's see what's actually in the box. And it's, of course, stuck with this sticker, and I don't have any scissors, so pray for me. Pray that I don't break a nail. I can't get it open. Someone help.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, I found some scissors. Let's get this thing open. Ooh. Okay. Okie dokie. This has a little card that tells you everything that's in here. Ooh, fun. So it looks like I got Too Faced. You guys could see that right there. Too Faced Diamond Light. This, I believe, is a highlighter. Yes, it says Diamond Fire Highlighter. That was also taped. Ooh, it comes like this. And then you pop this guy out. It's a cute little box that it comes in. It's not taped either, right? And that is the highlighter. If you guys could see that, I know it's kind of hard, but look at there. Very pretty. And I'll show you a swatch on my hand here on the side, or if not, after this little cut scene. And we got the Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. Look at that. Let's get this bad boy open. Girls with long nails know the struggle of opening boxes. It's kind of difficult. Boop. Ooh. I know I'm saying ew to everything I open, but it's a good size. Look at that. Love it. So that's by Wander. That's the little packaging right here. Trip for Two. Cool. And we have, what is this? Avant? Is that how you say it? I'm not sure, but it's an 8-hour Radiant Renewal Sleeping Mask. Let's see what it smells like. Sleeping mask. So it comes out white. And it's very nice and thick. I just dipped my nose in it. Can you see? It kind of smells like, ooh, it smells really good. I'll definitely be putting that on tonight. It's like, I don't know how to explain the smell. It's like peaches. It smells very fresh. Very fresh, that's the word. It's very fresh. So that is this little guy right here. Avant sleeping mask. Then we have, what is this? This looks like it's by Trestique. Flip down to curl. This is what it looks like. Trestique, whoop, boop. And I'm kind of confused what this is. If this is like a lash curler. Oh, it is. Interesting. Let me do that. Pull the sticker. Whoa, okay, that's interesting. I have to smell everything. Okay, so this is a mascara with a lash curler inside of it. Flip down to curl. Whoa. Oh my gosh, how weird. If I could like know what this device, how to work it. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at that. It is a lash curler. Like you curl your lashes. And it's the mascara. That is so interesting. How awesome is that? Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna have to give that a go. I don't know. I'm kind of like intrigued. I'm interested in the fact that they put a lash curler. I'm so speechless right now. That's so cool. How there's a lash curler and a mascara in one. That's kind of cool. Genius. And then I got one more item here. Let's see what this is. It's packaged like that. Beaute Vintage Dawn. This is what it looks like. And we gotta open it up. Ooh, it's an eyeshadow palette. Ew! Look at those beautiful colors. Okay, girl. Okay, Ace Beaute. You get an ace. Look at that. How cool. So I got two eyeshadow palettes. One because I used a coupon code. I don't remember, but I remember. I don't remember the coupon code. But so I got two new eyeshadow palettes. They're pretty good size. And then I got a sleeping mask. I got the Too Faced highlighter. Oh, I got bronzer and blush. Boop. And a lash curler / mascara. That's a pretty good deal because usually Boxycharm, and I got the regular size box, they normally have different boxes, like different sizes that you could get. And I think mine was like in the 20s, and you get all of this for that. Let me just make sure, so I'm not giving you guys the wrong info. But let's see here, Boxycharm. Yeah, so literally there's a few options here. You could do the monthly, which is $25 a month, which is what I do, and it's the size box that you get, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wait, yeah, 5 items in the premium box, which is the $25 monthly, or you could do 3 months for $23.33 a month, 6 months. I mean, it just goes on and on. I usually just do the monthly because I don't want to sit here and pay up front of like a 12-month if I don't end up liking it. I don't know. But I usually do monthly, and it seems like a pretty good deal, and I love Boxycharm. I mean, I'm going to stay subscribed on it because it's that good, and you get hella good-ish. that is all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.